Hello everyone and welcome. For me, the kitchen is truly the heart of the home, a space where functionality and a sense of warmth need to come together. And especially here in India, where the climate plays such a huge role in our lives, designing a kitchen that's both beautiful and practical requires careful consideration. Today, we're going to delve into some essential design tips that are specifically tailored for Indian homes. Whether you're renovating your kitchen or starting from scratch, I hope you find these insights helpful in creating a space that's as efficient as it is inviting. So let's begin, shall we? Now, one of the first things to consider when designing your kitchen is the layout. We all know that Indian kitchens are often more compact, so optimizing every inch of space is absolutely crucial. A well-planned layout ensures that your kitchen functions smoothly. Think about how you move within the space when cooking. This is where the concept of the work triangle comes in, a design principle that emphasizes efficiency between the sink, stove, and refrigerator. Think about incorporating an L-shaped or U-shaped design to maximize counter space and storage. Don't underestimate the value of utilizing corners. They can house clever storage solutions or appliances. And finally, make the most of natural light. If possible, position your kitchen near windows to invite the outdoors in. Good ventilation is equally important, given our climate. Exhaust fans and windows will help combat the heat and humidity, keeping your kitchen fresh and comfortable. Once you have your layout, we can move on to selecting the right materials and finishes, which are key to a kitchen's longevity. Given the heat and humidity we experience in India, opting for water-resistant materials is non-negotiable. For countertops, cabinets, and even flooring, consider durable options like granite, quartz, or tiles. These materials can withstand spills and splashes, making them ideal for our climate. Speaking of spills, I always recommend choosing smooth, easy-to-clean surfaces. This applies to countertops, cabinets, and even your backsplash. Trust me, it makes your life so much easier. And don't forget about heat resistance. Near the cooktop and oven, you'll want materials that can handle high temperatures without getting damaged. Tiles, granite, and stainless steel are all excellent choices for backsplashes in these areas. Now, let's talk about storage, something I'm quite passionate about. A well-organized kitchen is a joy to cook in, don't you think? The key is to maximize every bit of space. Utilize vertical space with tall cabinets that extend all the way to the ceiling. I love incorporating clever storage solutions like corner shelves, lazy Susans, and drawer organizers. Think about how you use your kitchen and create designated storage areas for different items. Utensils, cookware, spices, everything should have its place. This makes cooking so much more efficient and enjoyable. Lighting is often overlooked, but it plays such a vital role in setting the mood and ambiance of your kitchen. I always recommend a layered lighting approach. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination, while task lighting is perfect for work areas like countertops and the stove. Accent lighting, on the other hand, can be used to highlight specific features or create a visual focal point. Natural light is always a blessing, so try to maximize it as much as possible. If you're fortunate enough to have the space, consider incorporating a skylight. It floods the room with the most beautiful natural light. And of course, let's not forget about energy efficiency. Opt for LED bulbs. They're not only better for the environment, but also help you save on electricity costs. Now, let's move on to a few additional considerations that are particularly relevant to Indian homes. Climate control is essential. If your budget allows, consider installing air conditioning in your kitchen to combat the summer heat. Ceiling fans are another great way to improve ventilation and keep the air circulating. Pest control is something we all have to deal with in India. Seal any gaps or cracks where pests might enter, and consider using natural pest control methods to keep your kitchen hygienic. And finally, don't be afraid to infuse your kitchen with elements that reflect Indian culture and traditions. Whether it's using natural materials like wood and stone, incorporating vibrant colors, or adding decorative accents, let your personality shine through. So there you have it, my top tips for designing a kitchen that's both functional and beautiful, perfectly suited for the Indian climate and lifestyle. I hope these insights have inspired you to create a space that's not only visually appealing, but also a joy to cook in. Remember, your kitchen should be a reflection of your personal style and needs. Don't be afraid to experiment, have fun with the design process, and create a space that truly feels like home. Thank you so much for joining me. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design inspiration. Until next time.